In this video I will show you how to enable seconds with clock in System Tray in Windows 11 25247 or later version easily. See second not showing in clock. Download vivetool and install in C Drive System 32 folder. Run CMD as administrator. Copy the text key and paste it, press enter. Restart your computer. Now go to Taskbar settings, check Show Second box. See second showing with clock in Taskbar. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends.